Yes, this is a first. I'm facing the camera. Just want to have a quick chat with everyone. Give everybody a bit of context. I noticed other YouTubers are doing my 5 favourite things about the car and the rest of it. I'm not going to be doing that myself. I did say on the community chat on my channel that I would give you the lowdown when I'd reached £1,000. Now I've reached £1,000 since I've bought the ST at the start of lockdown. So I'm going to run through a few things, or video clips of some of the things I've done, and give you some prices, bit of transparency, bit of honesty. I haven't included any tools that I had prior to buying the ST, but I've had to buy a few tools, and I've also managed to blow 2 cameras up so far with the ST. So I've had to buy 2 second-hand cameras. I've kept it cheap. One was £60 and one was £100. I'll stick a clip in of my action camera because I blew the mic up going to a car meet with the windows closed. The noise from the car was so loud it blew the mic on the action cam. I'll stick a clip in so you can see it. Give you a bit of context about me. Not keen on looking at the camera. That's why you don't really see my face much. I'm new to the car scene, whereas most kids got into it with their parents. My dad was away at sea for 9 months at a time, travelling around the world, so I was left with my mum, my nan and my sisters, so nobody were interested in cars. So I only started 3 years ago. And for the past 4 years, I have been retraining. I have done a level 3 diploma in IT. Then I did 2 years on a foundation degree, which I passed. And I also did an honours Bachelor of Science degree in network engineering. So I've just finished that, and lockdown and coronavirus has destroyed my future for the next 12 months. So I've sort of thrown myself into the YouTube bit. I've just started to get monetized, but I don't work at the moment. I have no money coming in, so my videos are sporadic, I suppose. But enough of me chatting. And to the person that thought I looked like the Elephant Man, I don't. Darren at BD Performance, my wife says I'm a short version of you. So, brilliant. I'll play the clips of what I've done so far with the car and the £1,000, and I'll run some credits at the end showing you exactly what I've spent. Speak soon. impossible to do for someone that's never done it before. So my advice to anyone that wants to vinyl wrap a slam panel, don't do it because it's a ball ache. Tighten it up as best you can. Last cap going on.